Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about the VPC gateway endpoint, and this is the fifth video under the AWS VPC beginner playlist. And we have already explained interface endpoint, right? Using the S3. So this is worked with the ENI basis, and same we are going to demo VPC gateway endpoint, right? This will work with route tables, and route table rule we need to we do not need to add manually. This is the main difference and I will show you. So let's start. This is the same scenario, right? We do have a one jump host in public subnet and we had a private one EC2 instance in private subnet. Using S3 VPC gateway endpoint, we are going to access S3 data without internet, right? There is no internet access in private subnet. I will show you completely, right? So these two EC2 instances created and we will create S3 VPC gateway endpoints. So let's start. As I told you, um, EC2 instance is created. This is the jump host that is in public subnet. It has a accessibility, internet accessibility, and this is the endpoint server. This is in private subnet. Let me show you networking information. This is in private subnet, okay, and it doesn't have the internet accessibility. So let's go for the VPC. We have created all video using VPC lab, right? Okay, and we are going to create a private subnet. This not going to, it's already created. Private subnet, and it has a details. Okay, and we had a one more public subnet. This is part of VPC lab, right? And we do have a route table, public route table, and private route table. So our part is private route table because our instance in private route table from which we are going to. There is no routes apart from that. And when we are going to create a gateway endpoint, so one route automatically add in this route table. Let me show you once again. There is no route. I will show you, right? Okay. And so first we have to log in this server, and this is sorry this server, right? Using this 26. So we have already logged in, right? Exit. If config. So this IP is 102. Jump host is 112, right? This is the same IP, right? Through this we are going to log in this server, right? Okay. So we just copy it. Let me show you this server pingoogle.com is working. Internet had this server. Control C ssh hyphen I key.pam ec2 user at the rate this IP. Okay, SSH is not properly. So we have login, CLEAR clear. If config. So this is the if config 10.10 dot this, right? Let me show you. This is the same IP 2.71, I think. And let me check internet working on this, right? Google.com. So gateway endpoint will work only, no, nothing like that is working. Control C, AWS S3 LS. Why I am showing this? Because if we created gateway endpoint, na, so this command will work, okay, automatically. Okay. So let's go for the creation of gateway endpoint. So this is the VPC. And I told you, okay, this will work on the route table basis, right? And go to the endpoint and create a one more endpoint. Like this will not control by the security group and all, right? Gateway and point. AWS has three service. We have S3, and this is the S3. Okay, gateway endpoint. VPC we need to select VPC lab and interface endpoint. It is not providing route table option. So this is the main difference. People will ask, right? Okay, interface endpoint. So here there is a security group option, and we need to select private route table because our instance in the private route table, in a private subnet. Okay, and if you still want like route table, private route table, subnet association. This is the subnet, okay? And EC2, this endpoint, this is networking. This is the subnet 97, okay? Hope this clear. So we need to select public route table. If you have any issues now, so lab 1 and lab 2, it's for private subnet, public subnet, internet gateway, net gateway, how to access to these two labs under the AWS VPCs. I have explained it very wide, right? So you guys can go through. And one more request, if you like this video now, so kindly do share and share. Kindly do like and subscribe. It's a great help for me, right? So I have selected route table because we are going to create interface and gateway endpoint. Okay. So how we can? It's a naming convention. How we can understand is this gateway? This is a service. Owner is Amazon. That is gateway. Okay. Earlier video we have created this interface. Okay. We have already created and we have selected. Then you can understand here is security group and route table difference in interface and gateway. Okay, so just need to create. As I told you, this will work automatically once it's created, right? So let's start. Okay, and create this gateway endpoint. Gateway endpoint will not tackle by the security groups, right? Hope you can understand. In my interface endpoint video, earlier video. So let's see. So this is created. I told you one rule is created by default inside this, right? So let's go for first this, right? It's automatically executed. Yeah. Okay, AWS S3 LS. Let me show you once more. Okay, clear. Uh, AWS S3 LS. Gateway point endpoint, but how? We have created gateway. We haven't added any route and all these things, right? This is the question, right? So let's go for the route question. Basically, private route table. I told you this uh, subnet is already associated and this is the route, right? So edit route, this is only one route. How how it is working? Yes guys, I know, because this will not work, we have to just refresh. If you like this video na, kindly do like and subscribe, it's a great help for me, right? Again we are going to route section. This is, and one more thing, one more interview question, people. This route we will not able to edit, okay? Gateway VPC gateway endpoint route is not editable. If you have deleted, automatically it gone. It will gone, right? Okay. So this is the questions, right? And how what is the difference between interface and gateway endpoints? So interface endpoint is I have explained in the earlier video, right? It's already it already been uploaded over the VPC playlist. And the interface endpoint will be tackled and controlled by the network ENI, elastic interface and security groups. But gateway endpoint is we will not able to tackle this, right? Through the SG and ENIs. And I would say like it is already route tables, rules already created. So route table rule, uh, like who will manage the route table rules in gateway endpoints? AWS itself. We are not going to manage anything. Okay. And if you want, like you can, this is the PL, right? Let's see, it is coming or not. Hyphen 6 3. This is coming. Okay. And VPC Endpoint options is not here, right? Okay. Core net gateway and all right. There is no because target it's automatically this will come right and this we will not able to do that right. Target. Okay. Hope you understand. If you guys you like this video, kindly if you like this video kindly do like and subscribe. It's a great help for me, right? Thank you. Thanks for watching.